Good afternoon, Michelle.
Hello, George.
So what are you doing for your break?
Oh, I'm just looking at Eddie Perez's latest videos on YouTube.
You know, on August 3rd, he's coming out with new episodes of Stranded on Foreverland, Basketball Mamas, Elmer the Beer-Crazed Elephant, and my favorite show, Bossman.
Yeah, I also heard that he's canceling his show Talking Objects, so he's gonna make the final episode.
YouTube viewers, you better watch it or I will cut all of your jugulars off.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
New episodes August 3rd, stay tuned.